Hi there, I'm Jamie, and I'm going to be showing you a little demonstration illustrating the three different properties of our water that makes it unique. And the three properties are ORP, it has a negative ORP. That just means that the oxidation reduction potential, it's a negative number with our water, therefore it helps prevent oxidation in your body. Okay? The second property that I'll be showing you is alkalinity versus acid. So I'll be showing you the pH value of the water, which will be alkaline. And then the third property is microclustered, meaning it's very small, tiny water actually, and it can get into your cells, hydrating you quickly and removing waste from your cells very fast. So the first property I'll show you is the ORP. And the way I can show you with that is I have a meter here that tests the ORP. All you need to know is that a positive number is oxidizing, aging, rusting, and a negative number is helping fight that. And so I'm going to be showing you with the different liquids here. All the liquids are clear to help me with my acidity test here that I'll be doing in a minute. But these are just some different liquids that people drink on a regular basis. We've got soda. A lot of people drink soda. Sports water. This is Propel, but you could use Gatorade or any kind of sports water. I've got a couple different kinds of bottled waters. This is Aquafina, and this is Dasani, but most bottled waters are similar with a lot of these tests that we'll be doing today. And then lastly, this is our water from our machine that we have at home. Alright, so I've got my ORP meter, and remember that a positive number is oxidizing or aging or rusting in your body, and a negative number is helping counteract those effects, okay? The Sprite, I have a positive 320 and climbing, positive 340 and climbing, positive 350 and climbing. So this will be highly oxidizing, okay? Like if you leave a nail out in the rain, it rusts. That's oxidation. Positive 369 in climbing. So very oxidizing there. I'm gonna kind of put this in my tap water here. Clean it off. Now Propel or other sports drinks. Let's test this out. This is a positive 322. Coming down a bit here. Positive 315. Yep, staying there. This is my tap water here. And here's a bottled water. Also acidic. This is a positive 300 and climbing. This would contribute to acid in the body. Positive 336, now 45 and climbing. Positive 356 and climbing. Here's another brand of bottled water. Positive 327, positive 330. Alright, now let's test our water. Now to give you some perspective before I test this water, vitamin C, which is very good for you, obviously, vitamin C is a negative 50 ORP, and green tea, which has a lot of antioxidants, is a negative 80, okay? So those are some things to kind of be thinking with. And this is our water. And that is a negative 670, and about a negative 674. So that has a negative ORP, and that is a good thing, to keep it simple. So the next property of the water is the acid to alkaline, and I have pH drops here that you can find at the store, and I'll be showing you the pH of these different liquids. Soda pop, and this Sprite represents all soda pops, by the way. Very acid. You can see here on the scale, it's very acidic. You can clean your car battery or a penny with soda pop, so I wouldn't consider trying to clean your stomach with it. Alright, here is a sports water. That's also very acid. Something to remember about your health is that an acidic environment promotes decay, and an alkaline environment promotes healing. So you want to try to eat things or drink things that will contribute to an alkaline body. Here is the bottled water, number 1 here. Also very acidic. None of these things are so far alkaline. And then we've got our other brand of bottled water. That's a little bit closer to neutral, but not quite neutral yet. And then we'll show our water from our machine. That is very alkaline water, as you can see here. Very alkaline. So that's the second property of the water. Now for the third property of the water, the microclustering, I'm going to be using a tea bag to make some green tea. And we can actually make tea without even boiling the water using our water, because those microclustered molecules go right into the tea bag and pull out that tea. So I'll start with putting some tap water in here, because everybody knows you can't make tea with regular old tap water, and obviously you can't. Not really doing much, even though I might try hard. But watch what happens when I use the same tea bag and I pour in our water here. Immediately it starts making tea. See? And you can make lots of cups of tea. You just keep going and going. It'll pull all that tea out of that tea bag and give your tea a longer life. It also works great with coffee. You can use a smaller amount of coffee with our water in there to help your coffee go longer. And I'll show you again with just the tap water. It's not cutting it here. But you can make tea with our water. So that shows the microclustered property. And those are the three properties of our water that makes it special. We've got the negative ORP, we've got the alkalinity, and we've got the microclustered water. So thank you for watching the presentation, and I urge you to try for yourself this water and see how it makes your body feel when you get a water that has these properties inside your body. And just make sure you see the person who showed you the video, and I'm sure that they can help share their water with you.